In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable dark mode in Google Chrome. It's a handy feature that can help reduce eye strain during extended browsing sessions, especially in low-light environments. So, whether you're looking for a more eye-friendly browsing experience or wanting to switch things up, let's dive right in. First things first, let's open Google Chrome on your computer. You can find the Chrome icon most likely on your desktop or taskbar if you're on a Windows machine, or in the Applications folder on a Mac. Now, starting from the home page, you'll need to pay attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as the menu or the More button. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Once you have the drop-down menu in front of you, look for the option labeled Settings. Clicking on it will direct you to Chrome's Settings page where you can make various adjustments to suit your preferences. This page might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're looking for a particular section here. Now, what we need to do is locate the Appearance section. You might have to scroll down a little bit on the Settings page, but it's usually not too far down. In the Appearance section, there's an option labeled Theme. By default, it should be set to Light or System Default, depending on your operating system's theme. Here comes the easy part. Click on the icon or button that corresponds with the theme settings. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, which is where all of the theme magic happens. Once you're there, focus on the search bar, or look for a section specially featuring the Chrome themes. Type Just Black or DevTools Dark into the search. These are some of the themes that can enable dark mode for your browser. Pick a theme you like and click on Add to Chrome or Install. Once it's installed, you should see an immediate change in your browser's appearance. If you ever want to revert back to the brighter theme, you can do so just as easily. Simply return to the same Appearance section in the settings and switch the theme back to Light, or remove the theme from Chrome Web Store's library. And that's it. You've just learned how to toggle dark mode on and off in Google Chrome. It's a small change that makes a big difference. And now you have the freedom to customize your browser's ambiance to match your environment or mood. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and enjoy the new look of your Chrome browser.